Hello YouTube. This is WildReviewTech. Today we unboxing the Lenovo ThinkPad T580. Inspired by ThinkPad customers, this latest T-Series business machine has a USB-C docking connector on the side rather than underneath, enabling the T580 to be just 19.95mm, 0.79" thin. It also has a range of convenient ports, including the lightning-quick Intel Thunderbolt 3. In addition, should you need to work on the go or in low light conditions, the renowned ThinkPad ergonomic keyboard has a convenient backlight. Windows Hello and the built-in infrared camera, you can access your files and data with just a smile. As well as facial recognition, the T580 features glance technology, which merges face, eye, and gaze tracking. So when the T580 is hooked up to an external monitor, you can have a more intuitive, productive interaction by automatically focusing the cursor and shifting windows, simply by moving your eyes. Power up without powering down. Each T580 comes with built-in power bridge technology as standard. This innovation is the answer to low battery warnings, especially if you are on the road or without a power outlet nearby. It allows you to swap out a battery and simply replace it with a fully charged one, without having to turn off your machine. So you can keep your T580 going for up to 27 hours between charges. Get closer to the action. By configuring your T580 with an optional touchscreen, you can interact more intuitively and easily with your work, and have more fun during your downtime. The ThinkPad T580 7th generation. Intel Core i5-7300UV, Pro 16GB of DDR4 memory. 256GB, M.2 SSD. This series has a match-on-chip fingerprint reader, anti-spoofing technology that authenticates login credentials and helps safeguards your data, and ThinkShutter, a webcam cover that you can open and close. It has an integrated global LTE, a feature that keeps you connected around the world, Wi-Fi or not. Just as impressive as the epic battery life, up to 27 hours on a single charge, enabling the T580 to be truly mobile. Raises performance levels and eyebrows. Delivering higher performance and far faster than its predecessor, the new 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor is designed to take your productivity to new heights. Backed by the increased efficiency and speed of DDR4 memory, up to 32 GB, the T580 gives you the power of a desktop PC with the freedom of a portable laptop.